Hey everyone, welcome back to Paying Hub, the place to learn how to earn free money online safely. Today we're reviewing CoinPayu.com, a platform where you can earn cryptocurrency or cash by completing simple online tasks. Let's see if it's legit and worth your time. CoinPayu is basically a paid-to-click and micro-task website. It lets users earn rewards for viewing ads or sponsored websites, completing small online tasks or surveys, playing games or trying offers. The rewards are mostly in cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, or sometimes in fiat via Payeer. The idea is simple. You do small tasks online, and the platform pays you once you reach a minimum withdrawal threshold. After signing up, you can access different earning sections, PTC ads, click on an ad, watch it for 10 to 60 seconds, and earn a few satoshis or cents. Tasks and surveys. Complete tasks like signing up for apps or filling surveys. Rewards vary. Offers and games. Sometimes CoinPayu partners with apps or games that give bonuses. Once you hit the minimum payout, you can withdraw your earnings to your crypto wallet. Many users report getting paid successfully, but it may take time. Here's what's good about CoinPayu. Legit small payouts. Users have reported receiving crypto. Simple to use. The interface is straightforward and beginner-friendly. Variety of tasks, from ads to surveys and offers. There's something for everyone. But there are some important things to keep in mind. Low earnings. Most tasks pay very little, so it takes time to earn anything meaningful. Withdrawal delays. Some users report slow payouts or occasional issues with support. Safety and transparency. The platform doesn't clearly show ownership or regulation, so be cautious with personal information. Basically, it's okay for small rewards or learning how crypto faucets work, but don't expect to make big money. So is CoinPayu worth it? Yes, but only for small casual earnings, or if you want to try PTC and crypto microtasks. Always use it safely and set realistic expectations. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to Paying Hub, hit the like button, and click the bell to stay updated with more free online earning guides.